you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have a Allure beauty box for May. Do you want to see what's inside? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so my Allure beauty box for May just arrived. Let's go ahead and see what is inside. I haven't watched any videos, checked any spoilers, so I have no clue. I've been doing so good lately at not checking and watching others. So here is the outside box. So when you open it up, there is the brochure. Here's the tissue paper, and that is what it looks like inside. So let's go ahead and start with the thing that we see right on top, which is the Allure Resurfacing Galactic and Unicorn Root Cleanser. And I've got this before in another, I think it was like a mystery box or something. Okay, so this is not the full size. The full size comes in this larger bottle like that, which would be $12.99. So this is a small, like a sample size of it that you can test out and see if it's worth buying. So there's item number 1. Then we have is VDL Lumilayer Primer. So there's that. And this is a sample as well. The full size would be a larger bottle, which is a 30 milliliter, and this is a 5 milliliter. And the 30 milliliter is $32. So, and it looks like it comes like in this little glass bottle right there. So here is a sample of this primer that you can try out. And if you like it and want to pay $32 to get the full 30 milliliter bottle, you sure can. Yeah, so there's that. Then the next thing is by Skin Inc. This says My Daily Dose of Glow, Illuminate and Brighten. I don't know if this is a full size or not. Let's see. Maybe. Ooh, that is very pretty. I don't know if you can see, like, there's like blue and pink little balls in there. If this is the full size, then this is $65. The full size looks like that, which that looks like this, but I don't know how, like, it doesn't say like the milliliter right on front of that bottle. So I'm not quite sure. So I'm gonna assume this is a full size. And if it is, this is $65 by itself. So this guy here says, it talks about like after 1 day, it'll visibly boost your skin's radiance. After 2 weeks, your skin looks clearer. And after a month, skin appears more luminous. Skin hypopigmentation appears to be visibly improved. Vitamin A is an anti-aging wonder. The skin revealing vitamin A is clinically proven to help restore skin's youthful appearance. That is really neat. I wonder what these little ball things are. It says serum cocktail, but those little ball things in there. Let's see. I do not smell anything. So I guess once you kind of like rub everything in, those little ball things just disappear. But, that is really neat. I think that's really interesting with all these little balls in there though. That is just really neat. So there's that. Then we still have a few more items in here. This is AHC Essential Real Eye Cream for Face. Real eye cream for face. So is it an eye cream or is it for your entire face? This right here says that it's a 1.1. So this is the full size product and this is $28.99. And this one, how to use: dispense into the tip of your ring finger, lightly spread the cream around your eyes and pat gently for absorption. So it talks about just doing it on your eyes, but the thing says for your face. So that is what the full size product looks like. That is a good size for an eye cream if it's just for your eyes. But it's for your face. I don't know. Okay, in Curology, we've received one of these products like this, the same brand in this box before. This is Smooth Sailing, way more than a moisturizer. It's an entire skincare set for free. Hit us up. Okay, so that's not obviously what this is all about. So this thing here, it talks about going and doing your individual skin thing. So there's that. This, actually this guy here, this VDL moisture or primer, it would have been this guy, or you would have got the Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel, which I'm sure that would have been a sample size as well, because this was a sample. So then the Curology is obviously a sample because that's a big size right there. So this says that it's a moisturizer. I've never used anything from Curology, to be honest. I've never gone to their website to try to receive any free items or try like their things. So that's what that looks like. And put it right back in there. So for the full size, it says $19.95 and up for the set that includes a cleanser, a moisturizer, and a custom treatment cream. Visit Curology.com. So if you guys have used Curology, let me know how you like it. The last item in here, it says Win Glamour Base Sheet Mask. And this says $7. And it looks like you leave it on your face for 30 minutes. And then there's that. So we have a sheet mask, which is $7. We have this, which I'm going to assume this is a full size. And again, if it is, it's 60-something by itself. This eye cream for your face is a full size, which is 20-something. And then you get to try Curology. You can try a primer, and you get to try this cleanser. So that is everything that came in my Allure beauty box this month, you guys. Allure Beauty is $15 a month with free shipping. And I believe if you order a whole year, you get the first month, it was either free or you got the first month for $10. I don't remember because I've been getting Allure for well over a year, so I can't remember what it was when I first signed up. But that is everything that came in this month's box. Not a bad box. I'm really excited to try this this right here with these little fun little balls inside. Play with some balls on my face at night. Well, that didn't sound very good, but I get to. I mean, hey, that's what I'm gonna be doing. They're pink and blue. So that is everything, you guys. Again, comment down below your positive interaction. It means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know the drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye, Crafty crew. Out.